Hello. This is me in Minnesota. Here we have my room. I thought I'd keep it cool. Here is my bed. There's Fwang. And my papers and all kinds of. There's my window. And up here is my bulletin board. Some of you are on said bulletin board. And if you send me a picture, I'll put you up there. It'll be great. Here is my desk. As you can see, all set up. My book. Beautiful. That is my roommate's bed and desk. And our closets. There's my closet. The one with all the crazy stuff on it. So I'm here. It's great. Just finished some orientation. I'm all registered for classes and I'm ready. So I'll talk to you later.